We grow potatoes every year, and since the weather was cooperative, I was able to get the potatoes in by the end of March. We got 3 bags of seed potatoes at Tractor Supply: Purple Majesty, Yukon Gold, and Red Norland. The germination for the Purple Majesty was spotty, but the Yukon Gold and the Red Norland did great. The potatoes remained in the ground all summer, and at the early part of October it was time to dig. So let's see what happened. The Purple Majesty was spotty. For the entire row, I only got a few pounds. The Yukon Gold did much better. For the whole row, we got just short of 30 pounds. The Red Norland also did very well. For the entire row, we got just over 30 pounds of harvest. I hope you found this topic interesting. If so, please like and subscribe, and thank you.